Much more mental. Alright, I'm live. Everything but still take my time. Old fashioned. That's old fashioned. Try making more money than me and shit. Let's go ahead and get flagged early, y'all. Y'all know how we get down. I said I'm live. Pull up. Still gotta pull out. What's going on, y'all? What is going on, family? We are live. About to make some money tonight. It is 11 o'clock. This is the last session of the week. We're gonna run it up tonight. Dust. We had a good week so far. Oh, I just want to fix it. Ooh, we had a good week so far. We're gonna end it off right. This is the last trading session of the day. Let's get to it, man. I kind of already see like some motion. I'm liking what's going on to the upside. Yesterday we caught some nice longs. Price was inside of this hourly level here, and it wound up, pushing up at the end of the night, and we caught these longs. Took 2 L's at first, and then we got our get back and some. Let me go ahead and start our let's go ahead and log in. I have not entered any trades for the day. You see here my P&L, everything's from the same as last night. Like I say on every session, I'm gonna be as transparent as possible. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. But I'm not gonna sit here and just like OD like educate or teach. Really, I'm just gonna show you guys how I use this to make my daily goals, my withdrawals, and we're gonna vibe out, y'all. So like I said, if you got any questions, feel free to hit me up in the chat box. Say what's up. My boy Coop is back. What up, Coop? Yeah, so we vibing. If you see something that you like, take it. Let us know if you make some money or not. The bot is here for everyone right now. As long as you got an account set up, take a setup. You don't have to wait for me to take a setup. But like I said, I will take the best setup possible for that person who is new to trading, and maybe you're a little fearful about having your own entry or whatever. So you can take the same trade that I am. I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm 100% accurate, but I do try to end the night profitable. What else? Don't take my word for it. I like to be transparent. I like to show what is going on. So let me find my Let me find what's going on. What's up? What you need? She's putting that password and saying to Apex.
She's up to the password and stuff.
Oh, save now. The coupon code.
Yeah, she did everything.
It dropped down to 45.
Yeah, she paid it. They sent her email. She got the account.
So she's up there. Go to tell her go to dashboard.
Go to dashboard. She got the password.
No, go to dashboard. Go to dashboard.
She will do it. She was let me show you.
No, I'm trying to show you. All right. So then click on the under that where it says set up trader bait. Click that. And then on the number 2, it should be a link. Click that link. All right, so I'm about to show y'all. Like I said, I like to be transparent. I'm helping somebody get their stuff set up so they can. I'm in the uptrend so far, up 1,600. My boy is wilding. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. I think the market is going to continue to trend to the upside. We're gonna try to catch. We're gonna try to catch it. Hopefully, I don't talk too much before we start the stream. Like I said, just because I don't care for the hype and all that. I want to be transparent. Like if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. But you guys are gonna see the wins and the losses. So last night, y'all seen we made $900. Last night we hit 900, and then over the past, I'll show you. Okay, 22 trading sessions. The past 22 trading sessions. Y'all see what's going on? 1 loss, 2 losses, 3 losses in the past 22 trading sessions. All right. I don't want y'all to get wrapped up on the numbers and how much I'm actually making. Just know that we secured a few payouts already, just off this one account. And I've been streaming everything since day one, from when I opened up the account to passing the eval, to now securing these payouts. So with my one account, right, with this one account right here. So just letting you guys know you can do the same. And then also for myself, like just to look back at my journey and how I've been as a trader and a streamer. All right, I'm trying to build my understanding of the market and be more patient. What's the source? You got it. It's patient. It's being patient. When you're patient, bro, you start to put yourself in a position where like you got to think logically. Like, all right, you know, perfect example. Last night, I ain't gonna lie, it was my longest stream ever. I never streamed for 4 hours. That was wild. I never streamed for that long. But at the end of the day, I wanted up ending the stream up $900. So with it being a long time as a trader, that's a long time to sit here on the charts. If you ask me, I don't sit on the charts for that long. Um, but you gotta put it into perspective. Like if somebody asked you to do like hard working labor, hold on, because this is pushing. Let me because I'm gonna start chatting and I'm gonna wind up missing the move. We are looking at like I'm gonna say like right now. Obviously, we like to trade with the trend, and it is trending. We got trends to the upside. It's about catching a good entry at this point. We're hitting this level of we're hitting a supply zone. Um, Off of this kind of impulse. We'll see if it pushes through it, or if we can get like a little bit of like a retracement before catching it back on its way up. That'll be a move that I like. Um, let's see what the 1 minute is showing us some breaks of like it broke structure a little bit. It's trending up. Like we're gonna try to catch some longs, all right? We're gonna try to catch some longs, but you know, um, yeah, just going back to what I was saying, like I said, like that session was like one of my longest sessions, and I made $900, and I gotta be humble enough to say like, all right, I was sitting on my couch while I made the money, I was chilling, and some people it takes them a whole week to make that, like working, so with the whole patience thing is like literally about you just not forcing yourself to get into a trade. Like right now, obviously the market is going up. I could just literally just get in for a buy and maybe I will win. But like, why put yourself in a position until you like absolutely know, chill out. Take it easy. Find that time of the day where you chilling. Definitely don't just open up the chart and just stare at the charts all day. Like relax. Go do something. You know what you want to see. You know what movie you want to get and wait for it. And if you lose waiting for it, that's better than you rushing into something that you know wasn't ready. You know. So that's my little spill on that ball hard. 307. But that's my sauce is literally like I say on every stream. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Go slow. Like you'll have your days when you catch your runners. Like it's not you don't need to make a bunch of money to protect your capital. Like take it easy. Chill out. Cool your head. Cool your mata. Cool your mata.
How did she get to Florida school? Because she's at this thing now. How did she get to the...
Okay. So at the top right, you're gonna see something that says applications. It's like three lines, and then it has like a cross between them all. Yeah. Now click on add-on. Add-ons. And then one of the first things that you see, it should be like trading view, and then it's a free activation or something like that. My boy Ranger is back. Ranger, what's good, my boy? Patience is key. Ranger, yo. Ranger's my guy for real. I don't got no cash. Oh, you check my wallet. I don't know. All right. You didn't ask me if I had cash. You just told me how much it was. Hold on, I want to take my place. My boy Ranger is back. Oh, all right. So once you click that, you good. Go to Do you have a trading view already? No, a trading view is different. So like open up another tab and then go to the trading view. Like type in trading view. No, not that one. Trading view. Yeah, that one. So do you know if you have a login to that already? All right, so yeah, that's free though. You can sign up for free. Different set of skills involved in trading. It does take time to develop and incorporate technical strategy. Using trading view for a long time now. Great resource. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm helping someone set up over here. My bad, y'all. So I'm going back and forth. I'm looking for longs right now, but we just want to get a good entry before hopping in. Mm-mm. What's the vibe today, y'all? We was listening to a lot of different type of music yesterday. Or how y'all feeling? I should say. How we feeling? For all my people that's been trading this week, did y'all have like good weeks or like what's going on? Are we about to end the week good with a Scout 150? Oh, okay, my boy's on it. So we getting money. My boy Coop and Ranger was on a session with me last night. They seen what was going on. Shout out to everybody that joined the Discord last night. Um, for real, better week than the last week for sure. Hey, 1 week at a time, 1 day at a time, one session at a time. Word. So like I like what's going on. So we got a nice retracement, and then price is actually reacting off of the EMA. So we may would look like back to the high. So like yeah, good, nice slow market trade. I'm about to just actually just enter into this, y'all. So we already on the uptrend. We got a nice pullback off this supply zone. The 15-minute candle is about to a new 15-minute candle is about to start, and this last one kind of ended like, you know. Oh, and look at that. The bot called out a 15-minute long. So let's just see how it plays out. But you know, she's making a thing. So my rule of thumb, I usually risk about like 300 to 400 on a trade. You know, but if I win for the day, I'm done. So we may have a quicker session than last night, y'all, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what goes on. Blew my account. Got 2 funded and 1 payout. That was for the entire week or just today? 2 funded and 1 payout. All right, you create the account for TradingView.
No, she's trying to figure out how to create it. She's on that screen. That's the screen they gave her.
Nah, she clicked on something that said sign up, right? And then what happened after you did that? Oh, so you create the account. All right, yeah, I see. Go to what? Hold on. Well, I'm looking like, oh, that's because your screen is like that. I'm bugging. It's like 2 different things. Go to, yeah, slide down. Go. Keep going down. All right. So you might have. All right. Click on just click on one of the like the pairs. Oh, hold on. We getting a pullback. Like click where it says NASDAQ. Click on that.
This is not what I asked for. I asked for 3,000.
And then click on full chart. Where it says full chart, click that. All right, and then at the top where it says trade, click that. And then you should see like Tradeovate. Click on Tradeovate. Yo, everybody, send me a like real quick. I need a like. And 1 more subscriber to hit 50 subscribers. So if you're you're brand new, and right now, huh? The whole thing is messed up.
No, I think those are right. That's moving.
Yeah. Y'all smash that like button for me, please. Please smash that like button for me. And then, like I said, if you're new and you've never been on this live stream before, you know, a lot of sauce, a lot of game gonna be given. You got a whole bot that you could trade off of. Even you don't have to take the same trades as I do. You know, you can use the bot however you want. But like I said, if you have questions, I'll answer it for you or whatever. Right. But yeah, we trying to make some money on. And like I said, I'm 1 subscriber away from hitting 50. So that is lit. And you know what I'm gonna do? If we ever get up to 100 in my session, I'm gonna give away some Bitcoin. I ain't gonna lie. Huh? I'm 1 away from 50 subscribers. If we get to 100 subscribers, whoever is on the session is gonna get some Bitcoin from me. I'm gonna send it. But I need some good vibes in the chat right now because we the turbulence. I don't know what's hold on. Let me look at this. I'm doing a lot of stuff at once. Let's see let's see what's going on. Okay, so it didn't hold it didn't hold up on the 1 minute, but I did give it some breathing room. We are gonna still be looking for longs. I mean, we're not down and out yet. I just don't want anybody to panic. Let the trade breathe. What she's at? Because I'm doing I'm trying to multitask right now. I'm multitasking right now. Last night was epic. I ain't gonna lie, it was. Night.
No, NDX, not C.
Change it to NQ.
Up top. What says NDX? NDX. NDX.
Look at my shorty, y'all. She talking like she know what's going on. New here. Everybody say what's up to how you say this? Footsie Burnett?
Yeah.
Footsie Burnett, what's up? He said she's new here. You you traded before or something trade? It's blurry. My screen blurry?
I don't know.
Hold on.
I have to check right now. Yeah, it's blurry. Look.
Yeah, that's not the live. My screen blurry, y'all?
Look, yeah, it is.
I don't know. Was it doing this yesterday too? Or was it always like this?
No, we're going to stop doing it.
But I'm already upstairs right now, so. Coop said he's good on his end.
No, you good now. You good.
Eric said it's better.
Yeah.
Yesterday it wasn't blurry, but it's blurry, right? But it's pretty good yesterday. Just one little stall.
Now, come here, you can go to his YouTube.
Let me see. Oh, y'all in early. Now I'm about to get stopped out. Yeah. Nah, you don't want this one anyway. It's cleared up a few minutes ago. It was kind of blurry, but it's good now. I didn't know it was blurry, yo. Hold up. Oh. MQ, do your worst. I can trade 10 MQ how I trade 3 to 5. We got okay, y'all smashing the like button. Yeah, I like it. Whoa, see what's going on? Yo. All right, hold on. Let me look at the higher time frames, y'all. What's up? I still like longs. I may have just got in a little early. We just hit a supply zone, so maybe that's the pressure that's causing a pullback. But I'm seeing longs for the night. I'm gonna see what this does though. I miss you, baby. I think we test up. Somebody said they up 200.
Yeah.
Your trade, my boy. Protect it or take your money. Because it's a good chance that you made 200 in less than 5 minutes. I got stopped out. We leaving that alone. Minimum risk. I got more in me. But I got in that pretty early. I didn't even like. I got in that super early. Hold on. I thought I was gonna catch a quick scalp. What? That's because she's on the daily time frame. Change it. You see what a D is at the top right here?
Okay, it says N21. Next to is a plus sign and it's a D. Press the D.
Change it to tell her to start the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15, and the 1 hour.
The 1 minute?
Start.
Oh, start. Start the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 10 minute, and 15.
All right, we may have just gotten a little too early, y'all, but bot is calling sales on the 1 minute. Let me do a top down. So price been pushing up since the 8th on Wednesday. Hit the hourly supply point of interest. So we still have some room to go before price may like dump off all the way. So the 15 talking about. All right, so the 15's bot call out is invalid. It's invalid. It's closing below the safety net line. You got a lot of sellers in control, taking over the market right now. So the hourly, no man's land, looking for longs, 15. No man's land now. Still on the uptrend though. 5 minute, we're on the uptrend. Like I don't see anything telling me that the market is going to start selling as of yet. All right, so if you guys want to know how to use the bot, basically what I do is I go to the 5 minute time frame. If price is above the white line, we're looking for longs. If we have a green EMA following price being above the white line, looking for longs. If we also get a green arrow in the midst of all of this and price coming off of a demand zone, obviously we're looking for longs. Now, you don't want to blindly just take trades just because the bot is calling it out. Use your analysis, use your brain as well with the bot. It's like having like a calculator, right? So everybody's good with calculators, right? But if you don't put in the right numbers, you're still going to get the wrong answer. The calculator is only as smart person using it. Let me know if y'all understand that. So the bot is here to help you, so that you mark up your supply zones and your demand zones, or see where the fair value gaps are, or where the breaker structures are, the lower highs, the higher lows. You don't have to worry about none of that. That's all there. It's going to print by itself. It's going to tell you when there's impulsive candles coming. All right, so So we just trade with the trend. Nas is a very, it's what you call like a trending, it's a trending pair. Right now the market is trending up. I don't want to go against taking reverse trend trades. That's not me. Now, obviously, if you're on a session and you see something that you like, and maybe the bot may call a reverse trend trade, you can take that. Like if y'all see this here, it's a red arrow. It's going against everything I'm saying about how to use the bot. But you see, if you take that trade, it's a reverse trend trade. You couldn't make profit off of it. So by all means, use the bot how you feel or how you see what's going on. But just understand that like some trades are more efficient than others. Like I said, it's just like a calculator. If the problem that you need to solve says 2 plus 3, and you type in 2 plus 2, you're still gonna get the answer wrong. So use the bot the same. Use the bot the same way. I ain't question. I just went long a few minutes ago. Okay. Peels back more, I'm adding another. Get my screen for the size. Okay. Still in it. Structure looks good. Still. It is early. It's early. That's right. Take some games. Okay. Yeah, we caught that move tonight on the way up. You think we're gonna retest 29? Said 29,900. So like the thing with the numbers, like when you say like, oh, are we gonna retouch a certain number? If you're on the same exact broker, just be careful of that. Hold on, because if you're futures, then your numbers may look a little different, even though you're on Nas. So 29,900, like down here, you saying where this fair value gap is? It's possible. That would be an ideal entry if it could come back down here, pushing back up. That'll be a good entry. A falling knife entry. I gotta see price continue to actually turn around and maybe give me like an engulfing candle to the upside, like or to the direction that I want the trade to go. Did that make sense? Like if it's still falling, just because it hits that number, that doesn't mean I'm just gonna get into it.
Remember we had clicked the NAS.
Yeah, because whatever you told me to put them before.
It should be NQ.
No, she's on a computer now. She's trying to get back to.
Oh, yeah. Try to get to full chart. If you see something that says full chart, if not, yeah. So she's on the pair. So you should see something that says full chart somewhere on that screen.
Oh yeah, full chart. Okay.
I think it's to be honest.
That's how I told you to do. I mean, now do what I told you to do, like, and make it. But make sure you press NQ. Make sure you want NQ.
NQ, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So they ain't give you no water? Oh.
NQ.
I'll tell you what, you think you slick? You try to get a...
No, I don't even drink that one. That's why I'm mad because they could give me some other soda. They give me this bullshit.
Yeah.
That's caffeine free. That's caffeine free, so I can drink it.
You got your water, you got.
Just fix your chart so you can see everything.
Dang, this might as well have been water. This is flavored water. They usually put mad sugar in the iced tea. They ain't put no sugar in my iced tea, y'all. It looked clear.
I think, you know what I think? I think it's because I literally called 10 minutes before they must close.
Nah. What place is this? This is not no like, I don't know what kind of Chinese food this is. I ain't gonna lie.
Me neither.
I don't know, y'all. Might have debated on Chinese food tonight.
There's a lot about the jobs
These are bad.
that I have now made it away almost entirely.
No sweet in a sweet tea. That's what I'm saying. How you gonna put no sugar in it though? They gave me flavored water. Crazy, man. Might have put our own sugar up in there.
You dragging it.
You know how we get down.
No. You dragging it.
I need a vitamin water. I do need a vitamin water.
You gotta go to, remember I told you
I need some water. Period. I need to drink some water for real.
Oh yeah.
I did bad today with drinking water.
It's easier because it's right there. Plus 1 minute, you see 1 inch. Plus 1 inch.
Yeah, I'm trading futures.
By the
Look
NQ.
for the D.
Look where the NQ is, NQ, and then plus
Get that man some H2O.
yeah, 1.
Oh,
No.
Oh, I'm lying, y'all. I drank some water today. It wasn't a lot. I had physical therapy today. Cause I told y'all I tore my ACL. I went to my physical therapy. I had water there. They was giving me that work today. I ain't gonna lie. Tired. My legs are tired right now. I definitely had some water today. I thought I didn't drink water today for real, which is bad. Yo, just MNQ tonight. Yeah, I usually trade NQ.
29,000 all the way to the right, all the way to the right. And then you wanna move those numbers to make the chart, to make it bigger. No. I can't see the screen. Let me see. More of it to the right.
I know what I want.
To the right. You see more of the screen.
Yeah.
So go to those numbers.
Price is definitely about to give it to me.
Yeah. Now you drag it.
I think.
You see how it's getting bigger? You have to make sure you don't lose it.
I think she's gonna start up soon. But I'm not too early. It's in no man's land right now.
Yeah, let hold it.
Mind you, we did a supply zone, so we'll let it do its thing. If we want to, if Nas wants to, it can come down. It really can come down if it wants to, and then we'll really get a good entry. Where he at?
I'm trying to fix a chart.
Oh, she's zoomed in OB. Wait, you can like
I'm showing her how to do it. Just go back how you made it bigger, make it smaller again. But not that big. That's too big. But you saw how my screen was?
No, it's a thing on the screen. She can keep pressing the negative. It's like a negative sign. You see you see like something where it's like a. Hold on, where would it be at? All right, so if you like hover towards the bottom of your chart, you're gonna see like a negative sign, a plus sign, a left arrow, a right arrow, and then like a reverse arrow. Like, I don't really.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not doing so hard.
Wait, like hover over the like above where you see like the green and red stuff at. Hover like a little bit over that. Just keep going up. You should see something that pops up that's like a negative symbol, a positive symbol, a left and a right arrow, and then it pops up only when you hover over like that area.
Oh, you want her to drag it like this?
She could do that too, but like I'm saying this part, like when you like right here, that pops up, and then she can just click it to zoom out and in.
Put your arrow. Press above on one of the brick things.
Don't die out on us though.
Okay. Wait, what did you do? I can't see because the way you're not showing the whole screen, so it's kind of hard.
Why not like it's dying out on us? Like, I do trade New York, but this whole week I traded New York on Monday, and that was it. So each week, if you the link is in the description, right? Go to my Discord. Monday, I'm gonna drop my schedule. It may change, y'all. Like, but for the most part, I'm trading at 11 p.m. at night. It's never any different time. It's one or the other. And then some days, depending on what's going on, I may do both. Like I may do New York and Asia London, like Asia / London.
All right, you see those numbers. So you're gonna do the same thing you do with the side numbers. You just move it back and forth. Like, grab it. Yeah.
Grab one.
Are you in 1 minute?
Let me see. Yeah, so 1 minute.
Are you in what time? Hey,
Yeah.
a different time frame because it says 3 in the morning on hers.
So at the bottom, tell her where it says UTC, or she sees something that says UTC, or maybe it says ETH.
I see UTC.
Yeah.
So to -4 should be New York time.
The -4.
Yeah, UTC -4.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, now you see what time? Look what I'm doing. Right? You see how
Let's
this
see.
is? You see?
Yeah.
Okay, and then look what I'm doing over here. You see how you make the
Now you want to play with your squeaky toy, Stormy?
Put it in place though.
You just gotta keep moving it. So up here, right? And I'm gonna make it bigger. You see how it's disappearing? You gotta just drag it down, and you just gotta move it, and you just keep dragging as you go. Just keep moving and dragging it. You have to.
Okay, what you having is at 29.
Yeah, she's trying to play. She just trying to be in my. She's trying to be in our face right now because we got food.
You gotta make it comfortable for your eyes. Like mine, this is comfortable for his eyes. I can't see this. Try to help. You have to make it comfortable for your eyes.
Okay.
Here we go. Getting a little bit of movement. Hold on, we didn't. Let's check FinViz. All right, so for those of you that don't know, we're trading the Nasdaq, right? So Nasdaq is basically 100 of the top companies in the U.S. It's just a basket of the top 100 companies in the U.S. All right, so I'm sure most of you guys heard of Apple, Google, Meta, Netflix. They got. Well, I know the other day, but they got SpaceX up here now. But it's actually my thing is it's a big box. So when you go on FinViz and you're looking at this, the bigger the box, the more that company affects the Nasdaq. All right, the more weight it holds within the Nasdaq. So you know, if price is pushing up because one company is moving, the bigger companies that can really you know do some stuff, right? So you got Tesla. What else? You got your Pepsi in here. You got Walmart. A whole bunch of stuff. I don't know all 100, but yeah, that's basically what we're trading. And this pair actually moves better during the New York. It's that was the biggest stream I ever had in my life, though. I never ever streamed that long. Last night was crazy. That was the longest stream. I do not plan on doing that every. Nah, I'm not doing that. I've been streaming for maybe like a month now. So last night was crazy though because last night I feel like everybody was making money and I was the only one that didn't make any money. So I took my L's last night in the beginning of the stream, right? I waited around until London, got my money back and some to end the trading day in profit. But I don't plan on doing that all the time. Like, I really did I broke a trading rule last night. No, what was multiple? I broke one. That was trading. So I'm supposed to take two. Like if I lose, I take another trade. If I lose both trades, I'm done. Right? I'm done off the stream. That's it. Right? But last night I decided to last night I decided to I decided to take an extra trade, right? But I had to get my get back in blood. And y'all gassed me. It was y'all fault. I ain't gonna lie. It was a stream fault. It was a stream fault.
Yeah. I got all my love.
Oh yeah, it just got added a couple days ago. Yeah, it had to be like the beginning of this week, right? SpaceX. It just got added to Nasdaq. Like either beginning of this week or last week. One of them.
They were asking about. I asked some trading infidelity. And I go,
Go to the chat and his Instagram and he answer like questions on the chat. So like anything you ask him, he answers on the chat. So because mad people be having questions, the same questions, so we just started like right in the chat. So everybody, you know.
Instagram Live today. Instagram YouTube.
Mm-hmm. It was right here. He gonna answer. And I gotta show you how to do this.
I think so. Tuesday maybe.
I have a Discord.
They only They only had to wait 2 weeks to get included in the Nasdaq, whereas S&P 500 they have to wait a whole year. Crazy. Yeah, that's crazy.
I'll see you. I'm about to go knock out.
Yeah, seeing that, I was like actually super surprised. Oh, let's check the those two, y'all. So what's today? The 9th? Yeah. No news. 2 a.m. Some news. Euro. Yeah. It should be good, y'all. Hopefully it doesn't die out on us in like.
You enter?
Nah. Hopefully it doesn't die out on us and it just chills here.
How is this poor kid going to navigate life while he's still having all these seizures? I'm a strong-willed.
All right, what's going on? All right, price just tagged this fair value gap. See, if we would have took this arrow from the buy off the sell, we would have been done for the day. But it's a reverse trend trade. I just want to see the same thing in our direction. We see the same thing going in our direction. Out of here, y'all. Well, you got in something?
No. I didn't get nothing.
I see you turned your volume down. My girl turned the volume down because when they say order filled, she get nervous. Well, she don't get nervous. But the other day, she got into a trade. Like, she tried to be low about it. Like, why you sneaking? Why you trying to sneak a trade? Like, you trying? Oh yeah, that's what we doing. You trying to make some money without me? All right,
No,
bet.
because you're not gonna get when I get in. You're gonna be like, no, wait.
Yeah, she tried to sneak a trade, and the computer told on her. It was like order failed. I looked at her like, what? What's going on over there?
You're not gonna get when I
We know what that means. When they say order filled, know what time it is. Dang. I was thirsty.
You always thirsty.
The iced tea not even good. I might really just be thirsty. Ranger said shooters gotta shoot. Ranger, my girl was talking about you when we wasn't on the stream, yo.
What I said?
She was talking about you, Ranger.
What I said?
She was like, I made a new best friend.
Yeah. That's your buddy.
I was like, yeah, my boy was with me the whole night for real. My boy was riding, riding, huh?
He's wild. Like
Actually, no. Ranger went to sleep on me early though, but he made his bread. That's why he made his bread. He left me hanging. It's alright. He said he gonna build a castle with us. He made his because he went to trade in New York, and he was like, yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep so I can get up early. Oh, Brown Girl's Cook is back. Okay,
Oh, you don't want that.
that's really that.
You do not want to order fail.
How you get the order filled? Nah, yeah, you know that's a triggering sound. You might
Like, oh shit,
you
where?
you might like it might be like some kind of like hypnotizing thing when you hear that. Like I think they should take that off because it's hypnotizing people.
But she crazy, she don't hear it.
Yeah, I guess you don't hear it. I don't know. So
Oh, I knew I should have got that.
I don't know how to turn it on and off. I feel like I usually have my computer on like mute, so that's probably why I don't hear it. But
Watch it going to go up now.
the bot came in late, trying to troll. Oh yeah, facts. No. Yeah, so that means you was up. You was with me for a while because when that bot came in trolling, I was already like, oh come on, like I was just waiting for the market to move at that point. Yeah, I should have kicked it out, but we was having fun. Oh, it's in the settings. So for anybody that's just getting on the stream, I'm waiting for like you got in. I don't be knowing with you because you over there sneaky. She over here turned the order field off, got her computer down on low.
Cause you gonna make me nervous when you hear it, and you gonna be like, "Oh, you in?" And I'm gonna be shaking.
Nah, I'm
like,
not.
"Oh,
How make you nervous? Like you know, you doing your own thing.
I can't be up on that.
I don't plan on being up all night tonight. I was really trying to like hop on this session. So like this first trade I took, this little pullback, I thought we was gonna get a little bounce off of the EMA, and I was gonna take it, make what I needed to make, and get out. You know, back to the supply level. But it decided to pull all the way back. So we'll see what's going on. It did just bounce off of like a 5-minute supply zone. 15. Yeah.
That's crazy. As soon as I was about to go in, this shit lit.
Stuck in the ground. Stuck in the ground. Stuck in the ground. Look me in my eyes. Call me on my lies. I'm stuck in this ground. I'm stuck in this ground. December 1st, 2017. We begin. All money in. Y'all die.
He said I handled. Yeah, I was chilling. I came in acting like Nostradamus. Yo. Is she short or nah? I mean, right now, obviously she's coming down a bit. I don't believe it's a short in the long run. Um, I'm just waiting for it to finish doing this little pullback and then try to catch an impulse to the upside. That's what I'm waiting for. But like for anybody that's like scalping like OD, you know, y'all probably was able to catch this move to the downside. I mean, I would have liked this move. I would have took this, but I don't really like to go against the trend. I try my best not to go against the trend. I ain't playing no herb last night. Last week, 11 p.m. was doing great. You know, it was probably on for like an hour, hour 30 the most. Before we got a nice entry on something, but oh yeah, he was wilding. Hey, I'm in the for real though the whole time. Oh, my boy is back. I don't know how to say your name. Siren. He's back. I remember you from last night too. Okay, I like what's going on. Are y'all in the Discord though? Tell me y'all in the Discord because it's my last night trading for the week. I'm gonna be back next week. If you're in the Discord, then you're gonna see what's going on. Uh, for each day. What's his name? Okay, Tariq is back. Coop back. Ranger in there. Brown Girls Cookers in there. Okay, cool. Yeah, I drop my schedule on Sundays around like market open. I don't usually trade Sunday night. Um, I use that time for anybody who needs help creating accounts or wants access to the bot. Um, that's something that I'll do like in the Discord though. Like I don't stream that on YouTube. Like so I'll go live on my Discord and whoever need help. It's an open chat. So like you could turn on your mic, do whatever, and I'll help you guys out. And obviously I know like some of you guys already trade and stuff. So if y'all see something and y'all we could do the trade talk, but Sunday night is more for to get the week started, to get the week going. And then Monday morning, um, actually, I'm not gonna speak too soon because I haven't even looked at my schedule yet. So, but for the most part, you know, on any day, if I'm trading in the morning, it's gonna be New York Open, start at 9. And if I trade at night, it's gonna be 11 p.m. Asia going into London. She ready to push up. It's just like it's like taking a while. My artist markets closed for me. And hello, how the markets close for you? What's up, me artist? I'm in NA. Where's NA? Where's NA at? North America. Oh, okay. The buyer is calling something on a 1 minute. Let me see something real quick. We gotta wait for it to fully print before it's a go. But we getting an engulfing candle off the 5. What time is it? Okay, we about to be at the top of the hour. I mean, I mean, okay. It didn't print the buy. It didn't print the buy, but Let's just see. Let's see what a good risk is. Yeah, I like this risk. I like this risk. I'm in there, chat. I'm in there, chat. How I joined it. So the link is in the description for the Discord. Okay. A few people got in for longs.
I got it.
We in for longs, y'all. You made your bread? Look at you. She's done already. That's crazy, y'all. I said North America. How your market close if you're in North America? We're all in North America. Well, I don't want to say we're all in North America because we had somebody from London up here last night. Somewhere else too, matter of fact. Oh, I think somebody said they was from Argentina. They got on the session.
Yeah, I was Argentina.
So that's fire, yo. We everywhere. We global now. Yup. Argentina was on the session. London was on the session, y'all. 21 Savage. Okay. So we got an arrow that printed as well. Hopefully we don't get cooked again tonight, because I don't know if I could do it again tonight, y'all. All right, it's the top of the hour.
I don't like how the market is this week.
Yeah, it's moving wacky this week. I ain't gonna lie. It started moving wacky on Sunday. I wasn't even supposed to. I usually don't even trade on Sundays, but I started trading on Sunday, and Mark was trying to cook me. Then Monday morning got cooked, and that was like my loss of the week. And then since then, it's been, I've been profitable, but it hasn't been moving steadily, like how I normally catch my trades. Like I usually don't even be in drawdown this long, y'all. Like I usually have pretty good entries. Like this is all new to me. I'm keeping my composure.
Yeah, it's just this week is bad.
It's the beginning of the month. I don't know. It hasn't been like, I mean, the way it was trending all month last month was crazy. But
connects to Wi-Fi and works seamlessly with Jackery's app, which allows you to change settings, which you can't do directly on the unit. Right now, at the time of filming this video,
let's see what we get. All right, we got a demand zone that was created. Good point of interest for some buys. So hopefully you guys got some better entries than I did. Why?
Because you said I have to make a certain amount.
So it's nice that Jackery allows you to get.
Nah, I think the one thing that you're good. Like you just right now you're just building your confidence, right? The next step for you is just learning how to stay in, and protecting your trade. Or so like once you're in and you're in profit, instead of you just like taking it, you move your stops to like either break even. Well, yeah, you just move your stops to break even, let it do its thing, and if it comes back to tag you out, it tag you out. That's it. You don't lose. You just didn't necessarily win either. But once you start doing that, then yeah, up it to another level. Oh, Argentina's back. Oh, so it was Seren that's you're from Argentina. That's fire. Wait, I don't remember if you answer my question. So I said I used to live in Argentina, right? I lived there for a year, and I was with a club called Obras, their basketball team.
That's OD.
What? Oh, the guns. do are you familiar with them? And one thing I remember about Argentina, it was crazy because I lived next to I think it was the team was called like River Plate. It was a soccer team called River Plate, and I wasn't allowed to go outside when they had soccer games. They said I couldn't go outside because it was like a gang, like almost like not like a real gang, but like you could get hurt because they like literally die hard fans. And they like they rival was like a team called Boca Juniors. I think I'm saying it right. And yeah, that was like a when they played each other, it was like crazy. Like it was like people rioting on the streets, basically. Boca Juniors don't mess around. Yeah, that was a time. Buenos Aires was beautiful though. I think my favorite part about Argentina was the siestas. The siestas was, America need to bring that over here. We need to have siestas in America. Students of La Plata. I feel like I heard of that too. I don't know where that's at though. I don't know where it's at exactly. Okay, DDB is back. My guy DDB, he was with us. Yeah, I'm still in. I'm up right now. Um, I want to push up just a little bit more before I start protecting it because I don't want it to just tag me out, and I got a pretty good entry. Juan Sebastian. We are long. Siestas in this chat. Yo, nah, siestas are fire, man. You know what? I'm gonna just start doing it, and then maybe America will catch on. Estudiantes. That's where I remember. All right, so Estudiantes, yes, I remember it by that. Yes, yep. I guess when you said it, when you said it in English, it didn't make sense to me.
Oh, I don't tell you when you're in on the internet.
Hmm?
I don't show me when you're in.
What you mean?
Like I don't see it. Like,
You're late. That's why. It's not Rob.
Oh, it's not. Oh, okay.
Make sure when y'all watching the stream, make sure I'm actually live. Like I'm not like looking at the playback.
Don't be sitting here trying to.
No, I'm just saying. No, I'm not saying you. You literally right here with me. But I'm just saying like it could be somebody that's like thinking that it's live and then they 10. I said 2, but like they 10 minutes behind and.
I want to show you something that you just did.
What? What? Wipe my nose? She's trying to tell me I'm wiping my nose on the camera.
You was looking for gold.
No, my finger was not in my nose. Yo, what's up with y'all?
Did you find it?
You follow me on IG? Hold on. I don't know. Let me see.
And today we're launching Claude Tab, which lets Claude collaborate right alongside your team. At Anthropic, we protect.
You got the same name? Okay, my boy. I just followed you back.
No, Ranger.
Yo,
no, that's nasty.
Yo, I really fuck with Ranger, yo. I fuck with Ranger. From time to time, right? It's only right, y'all. Like, it's only right.
What is this person?
Oh, he's saying like he's laughing, like he said like ha ha ha, but it's like
because he's from somewhere else.
He's from Argentina.
Oh, that's cool.
See, look, I would have got tagged out if I moved my stop right there, like too early. And I know it's about to push up. I know it's about to push up.
Ranger, he got a whole bunch of tissue over here.
Unless I gotta fix it. Oh man. Yes. See, they probably like it's probably a lot of people that put that caught the same entry I got and moved their stops to break even. I'm gonna let it breathe just a little bit, but I am expecting it to push up some more. We'll see. We'll give it some time. Oh, hold on, y'all. I got 7%. I'm gonna charge it. I feel like my computer always wants to die while I'm on stream, and I don't even be using it.
I feel like I be charging your laptop too. Then I charge your laptop. I told George and mine. But you know what it is? Is that this thing is going crazy. That's why.
Oh yeah, my Discord. I ain't gonna lie.
That's why it was so like because it be still making noise.
Even my computer's closed.
Yeah. I feel like it's no way.
500 million. I got a pound cake. Well, algo or quant selling is gonna run. There we go. Well, algo or quant selling. Hold on, let me find my charger for my.
You want to sew on the side again?
I'm back in my bag. All right. Big pushes up to the upside. That's what we want to see.
There we go.
This what we want to see. Oh, dang. I got to move this over here.
Yeah, Ranger. That means he's not going to be on overnight with you.
Ranger, why she talking like that? You the bro. If we want to stream all night and trade, that's what we gonna do.
No. That's not what you're gonna do. No, you're not.
What prop firm do I trade? I trade. I'm using Apex for the streams, but I have Top Step accounts as well. I told myself I was going to use get a Lucid this week, but maybe I'll start a Lucid. I'll start a Lucid to start of next week. So maybe Sunday I'll get an account. Three, two. All right. So I did take a L earlier. So let me see what I need for my get back. So I'm still down, even though I'm up 240. But what I am going to do is protect this trade. Hopefully it don't come take me out. And it keeps pushing up. I can hit my personal daily goal that I like, that I want to see. I personally want like 800 tonight. I think that's what I want. If I get that on this trade, I'm talking about like my total P&L, not like on this one particular trade. Like, so I think we can get it though.
Back in the day, they used to like poke a hole in the middle. You were able to store.
Back in the day. It's not back in the day no more, shorty. Because I don't think that was a real Chinese store. Double up. I ain't telling no lies. All right, let's. Yeah, this 5-minute candle is wicked. I like it though. I like it because I feel like it's strong enough. I just want price to be strong enough to break through this previous higher high, and then if we can get that break of that previous higher high, and we start hovering around in this area up here. Yeah, man.
How many people's in the trade with you right now?
How many people in the trade? Who else took longs? Let's see. Oh, she's coming back. Hopefully she chill out. You gotta chill out now. Don't play with me. Don't play with me like that tonight. I think she gonna tag me out.
I can't. Let me go on my screen. I can see that on mine.
Definitely need size to get that threshold. Too much size, blow the count. Yeah, it's a few people that took the longs. See if she chill out. Hopefully, I'll just like
Also Tuesday. After Tuesday night, and I'll be alright.
What, for a payout? Are you gonna get over the 52?
That's why I'm waiting for next week because this week is trash. I don't want to risk it.
Oh, yeah. Take your time. So what? Technically, you started the beginning of July, right? Yeah, you only been trading for a week, and it's only been.
Because last week I made.
You started in the middle of the week.
I started on Monday. Right after this, after dinner. On Monday. And then Monday.
Was there like 2 days or something that you didn't trade?
Yeah, because I was waiting for the email. I was waiting for the email for them to tell me I had to pay.
On your funded account.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm thinking my fault. Like, so on your funded, you started this week.
Yeah, Wednesday.
You started Wednesday on your funded. You started yesterday.
Tuesday night.
Look, hold on. My whole point is from start to finish, even with the eval, right? That's the beginning of July, right? To now, which is what's today? The 9th. So you got to put yourself in position to get funded within a month. That's fine. I'm just saying you've been training for a month. You're about to get your first payout is going to be like by the end of this month, right? Let's just say by the end of this month, you're putting yourself in a position to get at least one payout.
Mm-hmm.
And that max payout is $1,500. Mm-hmm. So it's an extra $1,500 that you made this month, clicking buttons. But the month not even over. You just, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
No, we're not spending that shit, y'all. We are investing that shit. Invest in that shit. Invest in that shit. Wait, hold on. Y'all ain't here chatting. I'm not even looking at the chat, y'all. I took the long but jumped out. You jumped out with profit? about funding futures. Don't like the pullback.
My boy Ranger.
That pullback was crazy. Nice
Somebody
ad.
else said something too.
I hate seeing Doji candle in the middle of the uptrend. Coming along. Sell side volume so light though. Last few minutes. 30K NQ print tomorrow.
Still gotta spend it.
That's good. She doing great because I'm still trying to pass. Yeah, she's.
Thanks, girl.
Yeah. Tell her getting funded within a month and getting a payout is so good. Proud of y'all. Yeah. You know, she got her good luck charm right here, y'all.
Oh my God. Tell them how I be trading without you. I'm learning.
She be trading without me, y'all.
Yes, I do. We just don't make that face. I just made my money without you just now.
What you mean? You waited till I got on tonight to decide to open up your computer and trade.
At the same time, you trading, but
okay.
Does not mean like.
I'm still trying to pass eval too.
Don't make that face.
Bernadette Jay said, "Oh my God, I hate that song." Yeah, we changing the lyrics. Invest that shit. Invest that shit. Coop said, "Still got to spend it." Your 6 evaluation. Slow. You gotta slow down. But I ain't gonna lie. When I first started, it took me a while to like slow down. Cause like I'll win and I'll win big, and then I'll expect to win big every single time, not realizing like, you know, just take what the market giving me. Yeah, like literally most of her trades that she's won, and she's not trading like minis, so I'm probably about to get stopped out. But she's not trading like minis. She's trading she's trading micro. No, I'm bugging. She's trading minis. She's not trading micros. So she's getting in the market. She'll make her daily goal. I told her to, you know, hit about 200, 250 a day, and then get out. So she knows how to enter and exit trades. She doesn't trail them or nothing like that. Like she makes some money and stops. Yeah, don't make that face.
Over 90. Ranger.
What profit from you with? 90 evaluations a month is crazy. He's a good trader. He just goes way too fast sometimes. Yeah, it's just you just gotta slow down.
You
Like,
know, help me too. The stop loss thing.
Oh, what you mean? Like when you took your losses, you.
When you put the line and it kicks you out.
Oh yeah. So she's saying like stop losses helps her. So if you first of all, you shouldn't be trading without a stop loss, but you should know what you're risking before getting into a trade. All right, like I said, I have my rule of thumb is 300 to 400. But that's also my like, if I see that, I want to take it. All right. All right, so that's a break even trade. That doesn't count as a loss or a win. So technically, I've only taken one trade for today.
Babe.
So.
Ready to get into your head, man.
That impulse down. I don't know where we at. We negative 256. So that first trade I lost $256 on it. And mind you, my like daily loss limit is $3,000. I'm not about to risk $1,000 per trade. Like that's just not what we're gonna do.
Oh, this is a good song right here.
This is a good song. Oh wow, the hourly created a supply zone here. We gotta be careful with that. The reason why is because on the higher time frame, we are downtrending. Price did go above this white EMA on the bot. But off of this supply zone, we're still in a downtrend. Price could, dump before coming back up again. But we're just looking for a little scalp, so that candle was major. If price breaks up below this demand zone, this is a crazy engulfing candle. Maybe able to catch a quick scalp. Let's see what we talking about. How long does it take to pass a big account? Oh wait, hold on. Oh, give yourself some grace. Earning your own income and learning skill set to use for life investment takes time. Yeah, for sure. I'm still going to hold to see if it goes back into profit to negative. Goes back in. Wait, hold on. I'm still in. I'm going to hold to see if it goes back to profit negative 200. How long does it take to pass a big account? Well, with Apex, you're allowed to pass the account in a day, so it doesn't have to take long. But everybody has their own style, I would say. So if you're somebody that holds your trade, and swings it, or you day trade, I should say, uh, you know, it depends on how the market is going, because you could make that in a New York session in a couple minutes. You can make 3,000, in 1 5-minute candlestick. But then if you're trading at night, it could be a little different. You know. So I like to trade at this time, because I know that if there is somebody who is a beginner and they haven't traded before, like, this is slow enough to where you can kind of see how the market moves. You can enter without it being like too fast, and if everybody has like a different way that they like see the market. So like um when it's slower like this, and I'm explaining certain things, then you can see what I'm talking about, rather than like I said, in New York session, let's say it's trending, and I really have to pay attention to my entry, and it's harder for me to explain during that time, because I'm more locked in, because the market is so much more volatile than now. you know uh those little impulses can cook you, to be honest.
Whew, I feel like you.
What? How you
I
feel
still
like
got
me?
my socks on.
You still got your socks on? I need to get my hair pretty. I was supposed to take my hair out. If y'all see me on a session with my hair out, yo, it just don't. It's okay. Like, I'm okay, y'all. I'm just I'm gonna take my hair out tomorrow. Braid's getting longer. This is crazy. You came down, tagged me out for you to pop back up. I'm not jacking it though. We in no man's land. Not doing it. Bounce to this point of interest, and now we're seeing impulses back to the upside.
Oh my god, my pillow gets small. I can't wait.
Not really, not really jacking the.
I'm gonna get my pillow early in the morning too.
You said what?
My pillow comes tomorrow.
Oh, I don't want to be with you, you.
I know, babe. I want to be with you too.
Yeah, it's fake. It's starting to get a little choppy.
It's not a barbecue without the barbecue.
I don't remember to keep going back to the chat because I be missing some of the stuff y'all be saying.
At Covision, what we've always focused on is trying to solve for the messiness of software engineering in the real world. By getting to work with Anthropic, we've been able to help bring folks to a new era of software engineering.
Oh, currency pair trading? That's Forex, the foreign exchange. It's all pretty much just it's all pretty much the same. Each pair moves differently during different times of the day. Same with like indices or commodities.
Oh, this is so right here.
I know this is real. Caught boss, quick scalp. Okay. Don't copy trade. Why you say don't copy trade? I'm not saying there's anything wrong. I just want to know. I just want to know because you said you got 8 accounts. You trade one by one. Do you feel like it's easier for you to do it like that, or like what? Do you have something against copy trading? Like, what's your thing? Mm.
Question: if you have 20 accounts and then you hit all of them the same day, like you know how I be like you gotta do 5 days of trading 250, whatever, and you pass all your things or all of them, you take out
You take out 1,500 per account. That's a 30K payout. That's the goal. We're gonna get a 30K payout on stream, y'all. I'm telling y'all. We're gonna try to do it before the end of this year. She said the end of the summer. We could. I mean, hey, look, hey.
You got this. I thought they would make a video by now.
They did. You didn't see it? Oh, maybe I seen it, but they ain't do it yet. I could have sworn I seen the video.
I seen one like I think that was like one of his actual incident.
I feel like I've seen the video. Yeah, Apex pay out 30K if but it's 1,500 per account. So if you got 20 accounts and you hit the first payout for 1,500, then if you add all those up, that's 30K. Yeah, I mean, I'm not married to that buy. I'm not gonna lie. Like it looks, you know, and it's a lot of room for it to dump too. We gotta break a structure here. Later. Maker. Let's see what it is to that demand level. Mm-hmm. All right. I lose this trade. I'm done, y'all.
You going in?
Yeah.
You going in for so long?
Sells. That engulfing candle. These impulses to the downside. On the 1 minute, we had a break of structure to the downside. So I'm just gonna follow the trend. Hopefully we can get 5 minutes to start tagging these fair value gaps to the downside. For anybody that's waiting for these pushes up, like I said, it's a lot of room. It's a lot of room here to get filled.
You might think you're looking at Taco Bell's
Later.
but they're all just extras in this commercial.
See if price decides to respect the 1 minute levels on
New jalapeno citrus
1 minute
sauce,
time frame
only on the
levels.
canteen menu.
Starts with the game plan.
And we'll call it a night.
Wegovy pill, the #1 prescribed GLP-1 weight loss pill. People taking Wegovy pill lost over 30 pounds. Some lost over 47 pounds. Your body, your move. Your time to make a change. To lose the weight and keep it off. Don't take if you or your family had MTC, MEN2, or if allergic to it. Tell your provider if you plan to have surgery,
Let me see this.
are breastfeeding, pregnant, or plan to be.
It's about done. We're getting close to 900. Shall I go long?
Severe stomach pain or a serious allergic reaction. Serious side effects may include pancreas
Also short scalp. Yeah, I'm looking for a short scalp.
People with diabetes, especially if you take medicines for it. Call your prescriber if you experience vision changes or heart racing at rest.
Shit, okay. So I went on my phone if you pay out 10K at a time.
With Wegovy, you can live lighter with less weight. Get started.
Won't stay out until it retest.
Ask your prescriber about Wegovy pill today.
Mm-hmm. Breathe well. Eat well. CJ. Next to me. $1 million curses turn $1 million dream. $1 million on me, but girl, it ain't what it seems. I'm having nightmares. On my brother clutching on me. Catching these things up in that grass, so what he showed me. You can't trust these niggas, ain't your friends. You told me. Young man, just stay about the streets and kick it on me. You can do whatever you want to dream of, what you told me. I ain't understand your words back then, but that's the old me. Now look at me now. I'm walking on the stage, they wait for me like 20 feet now. Too many voices in my head, just know I'm hearing out loud. I walk around, smile on my face, just know I'm hurting inside. Oh yeah, I'm hurting inside. So I buy diamonds on diamonds on diamonds galore. Chain after chain, what's the word? But it seemed to be the only thing that made me happy. I lost my soul and I lost my daddy. I know you're proud of me. But all the shit I breathe well. Eat well. See. CJ. That's why I went in my, let me see. What up, chicken nugget? It's still long. Sometimes I don't be knowing whether to get out or lose. I'll just say cut your losses. Like don't stay in. It's okay. It's part of the game if you lose. The goal is to like you don't have to win more trades than you lose. Um, if you know how to cut your losses and stop holding on to being wrongs, like if you wrong, like it is what it is. Like don't hold on to don't hold on to trades. But that's why I like to scout because I want to know if I'm wrong or right, like right away. Yeah, you can win one trade. You can lose 3 or 4 trades and win one, and still wind up being profitable. Um, but you just have to like cut your losses. Yeah, when I went out, I don't know how to manage. I mean, I would just say this: like, if you find yourself in profit, just practice moving your stop to break even. Even if you can't, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, when you see yourself pushing up and you're in profit, just protect your capital. That's it. Always protect your capital and cut your losses. I have a higher win rate, but I make more risk. So yeah, you're gonna like it's okay. You're gonna lose. It's just part of it. You're gonna lose. You can't get wrapped up on the loss. Yeah, but you can also learn how to build confidence just by like taking your money too. So like a lot of people will see profit and in their head like it's gonna either you know go all the way to the moon or you know drop all the way down to you know the middle of the earth, I should say. But um yeah, if there's any point where like you're up and you see a number that you like your daily goal, and you decide that you don't want to take it, at least move your stop into profit or break even. If you're not going to do that, then take the money. All right, I don't like that. We just got we had a demand zone just get created. A point of interest get created right at my entry. Yo, gotta learn how to take losses just as much as the gains. Taking wins always feels better, but all it takes is one oh shit to wipe away 100 attaboys. Nah, for real though. Can't let one bad trade affect that chunk of it once. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Oh, that one? All it takes is one oh shit to wipe out 10 attaboys. What else are you waiting for? You waiting for Trump to say something? There we go. I like to see candles like that though.
There's a lot about the job that isn't actually that fun that I have now automated away almost entirely. One of them is Sentry, but it's kind of a different type of automation.
Do you want to know my logic behind the trade?
On whatever schedule, whatever cadence, it picks off one of the top Sentry issues. So what this type of automation?
Iran will come out and contradict him, saying something that.
Is going to make good to use and useful and joyful, and all of the things that like bugs and things that fall through the cracks.
So I took the trade based off of my rules for the bot. So if price is below the white line, we have a red EMA, and I mean I got into the trade a lot later. I would be well into profit, but I waited. Um, but yeah, if we see those three things and we get an arrow, then we'll enter into the trade. So where I got in, was like a candle that basically pulled back after uh, another candle broke structure. Hold on, as I'm explaining, let me talk about this. So I entered here on this candle because, like I said, based off of what the bot was telling me, I had price come below these levels. Red EMA, this tool here is telling me that the sellers are in control. And then we had a red arrow, and price just came off supply. Now, obviously, if I would have took this trade from up here, we'll be well into profit. But I wound up getting in off of this break of structure. Pull back. My entry wasn't that great. I would have rather caught it like off of the top of this candle, but yeah, I just took the trade based off of my rules and my strategy. I like to trade with the trend. On a 5 minute, it was trending up, but we started getting some moves to the downside. So I don't like to see wicks like this. That means it's a lot of buying pressure in the market right now. Like right here, it's a lot of buying pressure. You see wicks like that, it's not necessarily going into my favor, but we'll see. We'll give it some time. I want everybody to eat. There's people up here that's actually in longs, like they like the long. So where's so that's my logic, Los. Thanks for the explanation. Yeah, hopefully that helped. Not too much to it. Like I don't go too deep into like any research or anything like that. If I'm being honest, I take my setup, and I let it do its thing. I didn't say I like the longs. Happen to be in a long. Okay. So if you don't like something, all right, this is another thing too, because like when you start like kind of like the whole point is to find your edge. Everyone isn't going to look at the market the same exact way, and I respect everybody's like opinion because like I don't think I don't think there's any wrong strategy. It sounds crazy, but I don't think there is anybody who has a bad strategy. What happens is when you start taking one person strategy and then combining it with another strategy and then combining it with another strategy, now you have three strategies into one and you're just bumping heads with like what it is. So like, I wouldn't get into any trades that you don't get into nothing that you don't like. Like, I may be seeing something, but I personally see it. If you don't see it, then don't invest your money into it. Don't do that. Like, or there's times where like the bot may call something and it's just, for me, I just don't see it. So I don't get into the trade. It helps me see certain things easierly. Like it helps. I'm not even talking correctly, but like it helps me see things easier. For sure. But if I personally, if I'm not messing with it, I don't care what this person. I don't care who this person could be, $1 million investor in whatever, or this bot may be 100% correct. But it's just something. If something's telling me I don't like it, I will not answer. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, you don't like it now. Yeah. And that's another thing too. If your bias switches while you're in the trade and you're already negative, go ahead, cut your losses. There's no reason to hold it. And then hope that you're gonna be right.
Keep away for the ultras.
All right, so I'm just gonna at least go to break even now again, so that we don't lose on the trade. And that's how you continue to protect your capital, guys. Like, obviously I entered into like what, it's our third trade for the night. I lost the first one, break even on two. So you may go through that process where you just keep getting stopped out or break even, but you're not losing, you're protecting your capital at the end of the day. It's the whole point. All right, we're starting to dump a little bit. We're just now about to hit. All right, we're at break even again. Let's see. It's a lot of room. All right, so it tagged the first fair value gap on a 5 minute. Let's see if it tags the second one. I know 15 minute has some too, or maybe it didn't. Or maybe it was the 5 minute ones I was looking at. But hopefully it tags this, and you know, maybe before it decides to go back up, it hits either this EMA or comes back down to this demand level, and then we'll be good for the night. There we go. Push, push, push. All right, so my total P&L is at $50. Obviously, I'm up 300 on the trade. If I wasn't negative from the jump, I would take this. I don't. $300 on my couch. Come on now. Yeah. Yo, DDB, you got this, bro. Just stick with it. I'll tell y'all, I blew mad accounts. Like, I blew so many accounts. It's crazy. It's not even funny how many accounts I blew. With my stop loss, I should move it up. I'm gonna start trailing it. I'm gonna start trailing it pretty soon. Yeah. All right, so the 5 minute arrow is being called on the bot. So I ain't gonna lie. This thing might do some damage on the way to on its way down, y'all. We got 1 minute left until this 5 minute candle closes. I don't want to hug too tight. Cause I really want to play off of the 5 minute. I said we're gonna try to make 800 as the total P&L for the night, and then I'll be done. God willing. Nah, I'm not. Nah, if I was trilling it, I'll be like it would look more like this. So like I mean I got my stop. It's a little bit above break even right now, but like if I was trilling it, I'll put it behind each candlestick. You know. I don't want to get like too much into it. It may tag me out again before getting what I really want. You know. I mean, I really should be taking, like, when I see these $200, $300 impulses, I should just be taking those. Like, normally I would, but for some reason I keep losing the first trade on the stream, and I have to play catch up. These past 2 days, which is crazy because these past 2 days has probably like been my best streams. Having the most fun on it. But I can't. I usually get those bangers where, you know, first trade we end, make our bread, get out. I'm done. Stream done. Oh, for real. Bullish guys. Oh, this is night 2 for you too, right? I seen you last night. And Q finna sell off. Yes, sir. All right, I cut my losses. I lost 730. See, when you was down 200, you should have just let it go. You should let it go. Right? You already knew you was wrong at that point. Even if you wasn't wrong, it was just more like a like I said, it's about protecting your account. You can find a better entry, but I'm not about to, you know, I don't want to wait until I'm officially wrong, like even more officially wrong than I was before. I'm a pro. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Someday I'll be a pro. I told you I'm super humble. I'm not no educator. I'm not no, like, you know, big time trader or nothing like that. I'm like anybody else. I'm just deciding to record my journey. We caught a nice entry. Yeah, I want this to get away from us. If price gets away from us, I could hit the 8. Oh man. We'll have a good night. That's my trading dance right there. Radio. What he said? Too hard for the fucking radio. How we move out of Cali to Arizona 2 years ago, full-time traders now. Hey, that's tough, bro. I've been trading for like 6 years too. I've been trading for like 6 years. I recently moved into a very nice place myself. Shouts out to you though. Good stuff, man. See, it takes time, man. A lot of people, you know, they give up too soon. I was not like super profitable when I first started trading at all. All right, come on, Price. Go ahead, dump. Too hard for the fucking radio. I'm getting flagged again. I get flagged every night for my streams. Need that icy chain. Yeah, man. It's gold. It's a gold chain with diamond cuts on one side. Diamond cut. But it's drop like 4 or 5K for it. It's real gold. It's diamond cut, not diamonds. Diamond cut. Diamond cut Cuban link. Real gold. But you'll get one. I'm actually not even into like jewelry or nothing crazy like that, to be honest. I don't care about this. This is I don't want to say it's a waste of money, but like I look at it as like, all right, one day if I really need like 5,000, 6,000, I'm gonna go sell this chain. But in the meantime, I'll just wear it around my neck. That you can't believe. Does it really take 3 years to become? Nah, it don't take 3 years. It take like wanting it. Like, do you want to be profitable? Like, especially like nowadays, like I said, like when I first started, there wasn't no bots. There wasn't funded accounts like that. Like now you got access to a bot. Like I'm using a bot. Oh, I didn't say it on this stream, but if you want access to my bot, go to my Discord and then subscribe to my link. It says One House TV /Shack Stacks. I think the link is in this description as well. But to get access to it, it does cost money, but it pays for itself. You know, y'all see me use it four out of the 5 trading days a week. Y'all see me make money. And if you're not on live stream, then you can see the past streams. I'm using the bot to make my bread. How do you build a bot? So I partnered with a tech company. I didn't build the bot. The bot is on the platform itself. So if you want access to the bot, like I said, first join my Discord. Second, contact me. Contact me and I'll help you like create your account so that you get access to it. But yeah, if you want to do it on yourself, do it by yourself. When you go to the Discord, go to the welcome tab, and at the very bottom, you'll see it says access to AI bot, and then like I said, it'll be like subscription to One House TV /Shack Stacks. All right. I think you can get like a free subscription for like 7 days, maybe. But it's not going to give you access to the bot if you get the free subscription. You'll have to get full access. But like I said, in order, if you want that whole rundown and you want to have a one-on-one call with me, and I can help you set it up on your trading view and all that stuff. Yeah, just hit me up on the Discord. Yeah, it is almost at my TP, but like I said, I'm trying to make 800 tonight. Because my next withdrawal should be actually I don't know if it's 2,000 or 3,000. I don't know, but I'm just trying to create enough room so that when they take the money out, I still have like a big gap, like a big buffer. but I have to like be mindful of the consistency levels too. So I made a mistake because I made like 3,500. Um, and so like it made my consistency go up. Um, so now I'm kind of like playing with that. I actually like I feel like it's gonna bounce off of this demand level, y'all. Unless like let me see something. Coming home again. Now and then. I don't want it to push me out, though. I need that 8. If I don't get the 8, it's like then I gotta wait a whole extra like 2 or 3 days basically to kind of even it out. And I mean, like, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just, you know, I want to get my payouts as fast as I can. So, whatever. We'll see what it does. I'll do it just like a little bit over, like right here. Wrong. I guess you never know what you got till it's gone. When I was back home, I started a live account. We had no funders. Learn the hard way. Get that money. Yup. MT4, baby. I'm an MT4 guy. I still got my MT4, y'all. Let me show y'all how real it is. On my phone. I got my MT4 and my MT5. Y'all don't know about them days, y'all. MT4, MT5 days? Come on. Y'all think I'm about to get tagged out, y'all? I don't want to get tagged out. Oh, look at that. Y'all see that? I said I'm not getting tagged out, and she dumped.
This World Cup is projected to be the largest single event betting moment in sports.
Why does it say 61,000? Because I grew a 50K account to 61,000.
And the reason why is America? Let's do a quick sidebar to understand all the different ways this tournament is making money.
I don't need that much. It just grew over time. Like with my payouts, because I was getting payouts off of it. But like, you know, when you get a payout, let's say like I get a payout, right? And I take out 2 bands, it's gonna go from 61,000 to damn, I can't even count. Hold on, let's hold on, y'all. I had a brain fart. So let's say I'm at 62 bands, right? And I take a $2,000 payout. When I take the payout, it's gonna drop from 62 to 60. So instead of me like just getting enough for the payout, I like create buffers, and then just over time as I'm waiting for my payouts, you know, you wind up just having more money. But I started off with a 50K account, and it just grew.
That's more than 4 times the ticket revenue generated during the 2022 Men's World Cup in Qatar. And more than 1.2 million international fans are expected to travel to
Oh, a KOT. Oh, I remember KOT. What did I have at the time? I had Hugo's Way, bro. I had a Hugo's Way account. That was my first broker, Hugo's Way. And then I switched to a KOT. Said man wants bread. Yeah. Are you in Legacy or New Apex? It's the New Apex. It's the New Apex.
FIFA told me that turning a stadium into a clean site or removing or covering all the non-FIFA branding.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I want to play 2K. I might play 2K. Yo, like and subscribe if y'all haven't already. We was one away from getting 50 subscribers tonight in total. So shouts out to y'all. Oh no, I got rejected $800 with the broke old days. Facts. Trade Kings. You hit that sub. Hey, good looking, bullish gods. Good looking, good looking. If y'all really locked in, if y'all really locked in, y'all hit the alerts too. So I'm on a stream. I already know. Y'all already know what time it is. You don't got to though. You don't got to. I'm just saying. Just saying, y'all. Just saying. Just saying. I just heard my Discord go off. What's going on in the Discord? Feel free to chat in the Discord too. Y'all good, like, you know. I don't even focus on my trip. All right. Do you copy trade? Yeah, on Top Step. TradingView doesn't let me copy trade my Apex accounts. So, you know, but I do copy trade on Apex too, but just not on TradingView. Like while I stream, I don't copy trade now. This is trash, yo. Why you pulling back, bro? No. Life and grow. All right. And this little wiki wick right here on the 15. We want price to like sit in this demand zone. If it do that, come on. Okay, see if it respects the EMA, tags the fair value gap, and pushes below these lows. We'll trade here every day. Nah, I don't trade every day. That's why if you're in the Discord, I'll tell you what days I'm trading and at what times. But like I said, regardless of the day, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I don't trade on Fridays. I don't trade Sunday nights either. So like tonight is technically my Friday. Like, if that makes sense. Like this goes towards my Friday trading day tonight. So I don't trade like on the actual day of Friday. Well, I mean, I guess right now it's technically Friday, but y'all get what I'm trying to say, right? I don't wake up and trade New York session on Friday. But yeah, if I do trade, it's either going to be at 9 in the morning for New York session, or it's going to be 11 p.m. for Asia going into London.
I struggle with game night because I'm not going to do well if I lose.
But on Sunday, I'll let you know exactly what days and what time. In the updates tab. Like if you go to updates, you'll see.
It's terrible. I have no idea.
You'll see my schedule for the week as far as me streaming. All right, come on, Price. What you trying to do? We did take it down. I ain't gonna lie. We took it down. Let's see. Am I just gonna have a break even night? That's trash, y'all. Looks like we had a break even night. We did bad taking that first L. Cover that John. I subscribe. Yeah, shouts out to the new subscribers, Bernadette. Shouts out to you. You still holding your loans? Oh, I mean, I guess you could do that because you're in the you're trading micros. So support only broke down thinking. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it alone, y'all. Like I had a pretty good week, so I can't complain. Yeah. Trust me, homie. You got a Doji candle here. Got an engulfing candle on the 5. Came tag me out. Yeah, so on the hour time frame, the higher time frames, I've been saying this for every day this week, like how prices just since Monday, right? Oh no, Tuesday. No, hold on. Where we at? Right here. Yeah, since Monday, we had this sell off. Wednesday turned around, came back to this same level, and it's just been chilling. So, price could start to dump down and continue on this downtrend. Yeah, tomorrow morning, I ain't gonna lie, it might be a lot going on tomorrow morning. Hey man, say man. Bronny James. That's OD. Oh, getting tired. Said take it down for cause you know me. You see how I got down last night. You know how I get down. Dang, the past 2 weeks I had came out the markets with a request for a payout. This week we didn't do that. Next week for sure we're gonna request a payout. No, I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Doji and golfing. Nope. All right, y'all. I gotta get out of here. I'm tired. I can't do the 4 a.m. again tonight. It's not in me. It's not in me to do it. Look, Coop, really, you talking like you know me, Coop.
What excites me about being a product manager now is
Yo.
that I can move and iterate much faster. I can
Nah, for sure.
to test product ideas before I even get anyone else.
Dang, y'all. Come on, son.
Which is extremely
$80. I made $80 in 2 hours.
As a product manager is like a pain point. Usually you
Yeah, no problem, y'all.
Data science person to help you.
I'm gonna see y'all next week. I'm gonna find something else to like
I started using Cloud Code.
Like 40 word. That's not bad. 48 hours not bad. See, you gotta humble yourself.
Essentially connected all of our big.
Gotta humble yourself sometimes. 48 hours is not bad. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good night wherever y'all tuning in from. Thank y'all for tuning in with me. You know, like I said, if you guys want to reach out over this weekend, I probably won't be streaming again until Monday. I'm not sure if it's going to be in the morning or that night. But I will drop my schedule for the week on Sunday at Market Open. You guys have a blessed and safe weekend. I hope you all had a great trading week, and y'all stay patient. You know, take it a day at a time. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. You know, don't rush it. Don't rush your process. Take your time. Just continue to build your confidence, your knowledge day by day, and you'll be okay. All right. So, yeah. All right, y'all. See y'all Monday. Love y'all guys. For real, for real. See y'all. Let me get off of this. I need you. Yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. I gave you the world, but it's other planets too. All day. Dale. Holiday. Come and rescue me. All right. See y'all on the Discord.